Hi, welcome back to our next training session. I am Hitendra Kumar Shah, pharmaceutical compliance consultant, CGMP trainer and auditor from NADH plus GXP compliance services. Many people requested me to prepare the video on Brexit as they need to understand the basic about the Brexit and what is its impact on the pharmaceutical industries. Hence, I am here with you for discussion about Brexit. Brexit is an abbreviation for British exit, referring to the UK's decision in June 23, 2016, referendum to leave the European Union. According to the figures from the European Federation of Pharmaceutical Industries and Associations, currently 45 million medicinal packs are supplied each month from the UK to European Union member states and 3 European Economic Area countries. The European Union and European Economic Area in turn exports 37 million packs per month to the United Kingdom. At this moment, the UK left the European Union on 31st January 2020. However, 31st January is by no means the end of the story. On 1st February, a 11-month transition phase, that is until the end of December 2020 begin. During this transition phase, UK will remain in the internal market and European Union. That means UK is a third party or the third country, but formally all European Union laws shall still remain applicable to it. As long as EU regulations continue to apply to the UK during the transition, the flow of medicines, active ingredients, intermediates and other raw materials between European Union and the UK will continue. Further, QP certification by UK QP would be valid across the EU and vice versa. Quality testing certificates will be recognized by the EU and vice versa. Marketing authorization holders will be able to remain based in the UK to have access to the European Union markets. In the context of international agreements, including mutual recognition agreements such as those covering CGMP inspections, the UK will be treated as European Union member state. UK-based pharma companies have been advised by the UK government or their trade association to use the transition period to identify their distribution and supply operation in preparation for the full implementation of Brexit, which is planned to be executed in the beginning of the next year. EU pharma companies are being advised to take similar steps with regard to their exports into the UK. The key aspects after this end of transition phase are the location of batch testing, the base of company qualified persons responsible for quality control. Both of these, that is batch testing location and QP registered location, will have to be in an European Union member state. Also, the locations of marketing authorization holders have to be moved to the European state. After 31st December 2020, any marketing authorizations that have still not filed type 1A or type 1B variation will become invalid. If there is no formal trade agreement, then the testing of imports from UK will be required in the European Union and even confirmation by UK QP cannot be recognized. On the other hand, if there is a formal trade agreement and no deal Brexit covering the pharmaceuticals, then import testing might be waived and EU QPs will be able to accept confirmation from UK QPs to certify a batch. Due to these key aspects, EMA encourages marketing authorization holders to submit Brexit related 1A and 1B variations as early as possible to enable EMA to confirm compliance with regulatory and legal requirements by the end of this 11 months transition period. When submitting these variations via the e-submission gateway, it is necessary that applicants should make sure to tick the Brexit related procedure in the checkbox. For better understanding, let us understand and discuss about variations. There are two types of variations, type 1 and type 2 variations. Type 1 variations are minor variations which have only a minimal impact no impact at all on the quality, safety or efficacy of the medicinal product and do not require prior approval before implementation. These variations are often referred as do and tell variations. Further, these are subdivided into type 1A, type 1AIN and type 1B variations. The type 2 variations are major variations which may include a significant impact on the quality, safety or efficacy of a drug product. Type 2 variations require a formal approval from the agency before implementation. I would like to inform you that the European Medicines Agency expects some uncertainty and a higher workload because of the Brexit. To preserve the agency's ability to protect public and animal health, EMA has defined 3 categories to prioritize this activity in a business continuity plan. Category 1 includes activities which needs to be continued to avoid production and distribution risk and a detrimental effect on the health and well-being of citizens. Category 2 activities which needs to be maintained as long as possible to maintain the development of a new medicines. Category 3 are the activities which can be put on hold. The detailed business continuity plan is established by the European Medicine Agency in a press release. You can access the press release and also the updates related to Brexit through the link shared in the comment section below. Hope you got the fair idea about Brexit and its impact on our pharmaceuticals. In addition to the Brexit and other trainings, you can take the benefit of the audit and compliance services, which includes all these services. If you are on the way for facing the regulatory audit or preparing the compliance report to the observations or need any specific training, you can contact us through the numbers or the emails displayed on the screen. Due to some time or financial constraints, if you cannot attend our in-house training or workshop, you can learn multiple CGMP topics from our all videos. My basic purpose of preparing these videos to provide free learning platform. Hence, I request you to share this video to your colleagues so that they can also get benefit with this video. Further, you can subscribe our YouTube channel so that you will get notification about our all new videos. The subscribing YouTube channel is absolutely free of cost. If you are interested in any other topic, please feel free to contact us. Thank you so much and ensure all-time compliance.